The COVID-19 pandemic has changed nearly every facet of how we live our lives, and buying a car has been no different. Over the past year, we've re-examined, and in many cases reinvented, how we interact with our customers to provide the safest and most efficient experience possible in our showrooms, service departments, parts centers, and collision centers. So let's start in the showroom. We've always had incredibly clean and orderly facilities. In 2020, we really stepped it up to provide the cleanest and safest dealerships possible. We have around-the-clock sanitation and cleaning. We provide PPE to all our team members and make sure everyone has a mask on while on the premises. We have PPE set up at all customer touchpoint areas. My family spends every day in our dealerships, so you can have the peace of mind knowing that we personally inspect our facilities every day. We all want to feel safe. Now let's talk digital. Tasker.com has never been a more valuable resource to our customers. Shop every new, pre-owned and commercial vehicle from your desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Use the latest in digital retailing technology to interact with our team with real-time pricing and payment quotes. We can handle an entire sales transaction from the comfort of your living room. You can review and sign documents digitally. Schedule service at any location. Find and buy the right part that you need right now. We've invested time and resources into our websites to make them easier to use than ever before. We have a robust remote sales and service process that allows you to test drive vehicles, have your vehicle appraised, and have your vehicle picked up and dropped off for service all from your driveway. We have on-site rental cars at all locations to allow you to have your vehicle serviced without having to sit in the dealership for hours waiting. Every vehicle that you touch will first be fully sanitized for your safety. Simply let us know how we can make you feel comfortable, and we'll do our best to accommodate you. The last year has been incredibly stressful. Buying or servicing your vehicle doesn't have to be. You have options. Let the Tasker team do the work for you. We've been here for 78 years. We're still here, and you will still be satisfied.